Good morning, Michael Feller here on Deals TV. It's Wednesday the 21st of October, and first up, Telstra, where the federal parliament had a robust debate, one may call it, about the fate of the telecommunications giant. Basically, Senator Nick Minchin, the opposition communications spokesman, said that he'd gathered opposition support to delay a proper debate over Senator Stephen Conroy's, the Communications Minister's, proposed bill to structurally separate the telco. Also supporting moves to either delay or block the bill are the National Party, led by Senator Barnaby Joyce, and also Family First, Senator Stephen Fielding's party. The Greens, however, are on the fence, and Nick Xenophon has suggested that it could be good for Australian telecommunications consumers to see Telstra structurally separated, as per Stephen Conroy's proposal. So there's a bit of uncertainty that will continue, but interestingly, the Future Fund has weighed into the debate. Paul Costello, the Future Fund's chief, has described a structural separation, or the proposal at least, to have significant negative risks. So, and that's an interesting comment, especially considering those earlier conspiracy theories about the Future Fund selling out of Telstra approximately 1 month before Conroy made his announcement. So on to other messy little deals. Bronte Capital has threatened legal action against the managers of Babcock and Brown Infrastructure. Basically, Bronte, it's a hedge fund with a blog. Perhaps it's more famous for its blog, but in any case, it said that it wants BBI to disclose details of debt holders' rights vis-a-vis the rights of preference shareholders, people who own the BEPPAS. So he wants to see, Bronte wants to see what's happening there. Also, Andrew Forrest, speaking of outspoken people, has said that there are very significant sources of funding out of the US at Fortescue Metals Group's disposal. Fortescue, of course, had a $6 billion debt funding offer from the Chinese withdrawn, despite having agreed to sell iron ore at a lower negotiated cost. But Forrest seems pretty optimistic, as per form, about the possibility of raising money from more traditional capital markets like the US or Europe. And he's also denied rumour of tying up with Vale, the Brazilian iron ore producer, about combining Fortescue coarse fines iron ore with Vale's ultrafine iron ore that has been rumoured for the past week or so. Anyway, that's all we've got time for this morning. I'll see you tomorrow.